We meet again. Position 4, minor pentatonic. I'm using the A minor pentatonic. As a framework in memorizing a connective flow on the fretboard. The first video we started position 1, A minor. Then we moved into position 2. Position 3. And now, position 4. Kind of quirky in nature, but has some really cool spots. So I'm going 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12 on the top 3 strings. Then I go 9, 12 on the 3rd string. Then I bump up the B string. And I'm going 10 to 13. And then I do 10, 12. This 10, I'm going A to C here. This is my root to minor 3rd. 4th and 5th, but I have that flat 5th here again, like we talked about in some of the other videos. So anyways, just demonstrating how I was able, over time to link the fretboard together and, like put on, like a backing track. I love the elevated backing tracks, I think is the channel. Awesome. They have like every key, every mode, every style. It's really cool to check out. So here, we have a few spots. I really like this spot here. I'm going 10 to 13 and I have my ring finger on the 12th fret of the G string. So I'll pluck the string up and I'll do a pull off and then I'll strike the string down on it. And kind of get it flowing. For, a little punctuation. I love, this little spot here. Allows you to kind of double up the strings and get a little chunky. It's always kind of, good to practice running the scale using your pinky and your middle finger, just in case, depending on where you're at. I don't have too many licks with this position. I just threw on my my trio jam pedal and just kind of like thought of stuff to do in this area here, this box 4, so to speak. But I think that's one that I did. Something like that. Then I had a and everything keeps applying. That C note's my minor 3rd. The E is still my 5th. I don't know what other ones. I had something maybe where I started here on the 9th fret and I did a like. Here's a situation where I will use my ring finger here so I can do this kind of finger roll. 12, 12, 10, 12. Box 4. I don't stick around in it very. I'll use it as a transition, you know, say I'm. So going into box 5, the next one, it's a cool way. So say I'm here, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, I can slide from 12 to 14, and I can be in this next position here. Box 4, get it under your belt. Get all these, you know, these positions here. Helps you, you know, kind of navigate the fretboard. So, you know, I also did something in here that kind of linked all of the positions together. I went 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7. Fuck, I forgot. Yes, I went 5, 7, 3, 5, 3, 5. Slid up to the E note here. 5, 7, 5, 7, 9. Position 1, 2. Now I'm in position 3. Here's my root, but I can slide my pinky up to my minor third, go back. Say I want to move into position, you know, go from 4 to 5, I could grab. And it kind of starts over. Here's where we started. And then back to our, you know, our familiar. Box 4. Please hit the subscribe. I'm trying to get some views. I'm trying to, you know, I'm mostly, you know, just trying to motivate myself and just share what I know and keep these videos going. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe. I got one more coming out, and then racing to the holidays, and then hopefully get some jams in and have a great time. Take care.